Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see, we are back with another hair tutorial. So this video is sponsored by amandahair. As you guys can see, it is this beautiful 18-inch body wave wig with neon red roots. Okay, this wig is so me. Y'all know I go through my little punk rock phase every now and then. So if you want to see exactly how I got this glueless install, then continue to watch. So the hair is going to arrive in this bag here. Of course, you're going to have a card with all of their socials on it, as well as some tips as to how to get some cash back on your next purchase. Now you're going to have some wig caps, and then the wig comes in this secure bag here. Now look at the roots, you guys. Now, first of all, actually look at the lace. The lace is super transparent, super HD, and you know, that makes it easier for you to go ahead and install. And this is a 5x5 closure. You guys know I love my closures. Therefore, we're doing a glueless install as we always do, but this is going to be no glue, no spray whatsoever. All right, so I did go ahead and bleach the knots off camera, and I did tint the lace off camera as well. All the products that I use for that will be listed in the description box down below. So the first thing that I do is I put the wig cap on. I put the wig on just to see exactly how it fits. Then I take my elastic band. You can actually get this off of Amazon, and I measure it to exactly where the closure ended as well on my head. So for me, it went from like eyebrow to eyebrow. And all you do is you just sew the elastic band on one end to the other. That's literally all you do. So I showed you guys a side that was completed at first, and now I'm just showing you exactly how I sew it onto the other side. It's really, really, really easy, and it literally takes like 2 seconds. All right, so once I get towards the end, I do not cut the thread super short. I leave it long enough so I can tie like 4 knots in it just to make sure it's super secure. Then I go ahead and I cut off the excess thread. After I do that, that's pretty much it, you guys. will see it's sewed on from one end to the other, and that is it. 1, 2, 3, super easy. So now I'm just going to put the wig on just to make sure that it's super secure, and she's definitely secure. She's tight, but she's not too tight, okay? And that's the importance of measuring the elastic band on your head. Normally I cut it a little like lesser than what I measure just to make sure it is definitely secured, because once you cut off the additional lace, you want to make sure that you do not see the lace. You know what I'm saying? You want to give it that effect as if you did glue it or you spray or whatever. So right now I'm just showing you guys exactly how I pluck the front. I didn't really have to do too much on this wig. For one, it's a closure, so there wasn't too much to pluck anyways. And then also the wig had already came pre-plucked, so there really wasn't too much that I needed to do. I just plucked to my liking, you know, just basically just got to the point where I felt like it looked natural enough for me. So that's why I like plucking the wig when it's already on my head, because I have a better idea as to how it'll look versus, you know, plucking on the wig stand or whatever, or using the white towel method. You can do that too. It's whatever you prefer, but I normally just like to install my wigs and do everything in one shot. So I pluck it while it's on my head. So once I get it to exactly how I want it, you know, it's looking pretty natural or whatever, it's giving a natural hairline, that's when I go in with my wax stick and my hot comb just to lay it down. All right, so I decided that I wanted a side part, a little swoop-de-doop. So that's pretty much what I did, because I really wanted to show off those neon red roots. I felt like a middle part wouldn't really show it off that much. Like I wanted that to be the main focus because I really, really think it's cute. So once I got my part down, then I used my wax stick to kind of secure it in place. And then of course I went in with my hot comb. Now what you guys are going to see me do next is to get it to lay extremely flat. What I did was on the side where like you know, parted for the swoop or whatever, I use my wax stick and then I'll use the hot comb, then I'll part some more, use the wax stick, then use my hot comb, and I just kept doing that until I got up to the top, and that helped to really lay the wig down nice and flat. Because since this is a body wave wig, once it dried after I washed the wig, like, it was kind of wavy towards the roots, so I just really wanted to make sure that it was flat, and that's pretty much what I did. So yeah. All right, so she's looking good. She's looking flat, of course. So now what I'm going to do is cut off the additional lace. I take the scissors first, cut it right in the center, make sure everything is secure, and then I use the razor to cut off the additional lace. Now, after I use the razor, I do go back in with my scissors. I gently tug on the wig just to see if there's any pieces of lace that stick up, and I just cut those off. It's normally like little pieces. Same thing happens when you're gluing your wig down or spraying your wig down. There's always like those little pieces of lace that don't get it, that they don't stay down. So that's pretty much what I cut off with the scissors. After I do that, I add in some makeup on the part just to kind of make the lace look a little bit more natural, a little bit closer to my skin color. And then I actually went ahead and put some curls in my head. So I'm going to let you guys watch, and then I'll come back towards the end. Alrighty, you guys, so that is it for the tutorial. I hope that it was easy for you guys to follow. 100% glueless, no glue, no spray, no nothing. When it comes to closures, the elastic band method is the perfect way to go. I will have all of the information regarding the hair in the description box down below, and I want to thank amandahair for sponsoring another video of mine. Love this wig so mean. I hope you guys love it too, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.